We contemplate a world run by machines. In the meantime, the tech world is mostly run by men. Here in the U.S., women make up more than half of the workforce, but they represent less than 20% of the tech sector at every level up to the C-suite. Well, I had a chance to catch up with one woman that has broken that glass ceiling. Leah Colburn is the Chief Technology Officer and co-founder of Converge.io, an artificial intelligence and machine learning platform. She explained what the company does and how it's dealing with the moral and ethical issues surrounding the industry.
So Converge is a data science platform for data science teams to help them manage, build, and automate their data science projects. So basically, we help them to get from their data to production really quick and really fast. Basically that.
All right, well, why don't you give us a sense about some of your clients, some of your customers? I understand that you founded the company about 2 years ago, and your customers already include some Fortune 500 companies.
Right. So, yeah, we founded the company 2 years ago. We got really good traction from Fortune 500 companies. What's really good in Converge is that we're not bound to a specific vertical or a specific industry. So we work with many data scientist teams around across different verticals and different industries like banking, retail, marketing, gaming, healthcare, and so on. So basically, any data scientist team can work with Converge.
So when you say data science team, I mean, explain what you mean by that. Explain what makes your company unique and what are the services that Converge actually offers.
Yeah, so basically data science teams help the company drive ROI to the company, and basically the revenue for the company, help them get the magic, the algorithm that makes this company unique. So Converge helps them build the algorithm and takes all the DevOps and IT that they need to handle while doing that. So we help companies to build and retrain their models from data to production as much as fast as they can and in the best way that they can do that. So instead of taking months building models in production, in Converge, you can do that in a few weeks or even a few days.
Okay, is that the pipeline, the Flows pipeline? Because I understand one of the features that you've released, which is quite unique, is the auto machine learning pipeline feature called Flows. Tell us about that.
Yeah, so with Converge, you can build automated machine learning pipelines. So you can basically take your data science project and create automation pipelines out of them, and then you can retrain the models when you have new data comes in to your models, and then you can always be as much as updated and relevant in production, and you can retrain the models every time and deploy them to production really quickly with Converge.
All right, so Leah, while machine learning and artificial intelligence sounds great, sounds very exciting, there's also the other side of this, and that is the considerable concern that AI is replacing human jobs. The World Economic Forum has predicted that 75 million jobs will be displaced by 2022. So how do you, as an AI ML platform, address that?
That's a really good question. I think AI makes all of us much better, and we can do more which we couldn't do like 10 years ago. So maybe there are some jobs that will be replaced, but new new jobs will be created because of that. So I think that's like how the world works.
All right, adapt or die, as Darwin would say. Look, there is also the ongoing debate between prominent scientists, speaking of Darwin, about whether advanced AI does actually pose a potential danger to humanity at large. Stephen Hawking has said that the development of full artificial intelligence could spell the end of the human race. That's a quote. Elon Musk claims that AI is, in fact, humanity's biggest existential threat. So what is your position on this?
So I think in like any field that you go, you will have those threats. I think if we have more people that do good with AI and really carefully think about what they do and who they give their tools to and what they can do with that, we will be fine. But that's why we have governments and we have security guidelines to help us navigate through all of that. But yeah, in every field you have that threat.
Are you confident that the guidelines that are currently in place place are enough of a safety mechanism?
I don't think it's enough. We're just starting to see the results of the AI industry and the challenge that we're going to face. So we would need to update those as we go. But yeah, definitely we are in the start of the revolution of that, and we need to take sufficient measures to be able to monitor it and see that it doesn't do harm to the people.
All right, so you're not concerned necessarily about losing jobs to AI or about it being a huge human existential threat. Are there any concerns that you do have regarding the AI ML industry?
No, I think I do. I'm afraid that people will take AI and do harm with it, but I think that we can control that. So other than that, I think we can really benefit from that revolution.